The Public Education Department is sending a clear warning this evening. If COVID cases continue to rise, they say they may have no choice but to return to remote learning. News 13's Stephanie Chavez has this story.
Lizzie, PED Secretary Ryan Stewart didn't make any changes to the reentry plan yet, but said they won't be looking to reopen any more schools at the moment.
Based on this latest surge, we're seeing some troubling signs, and we are no longer meeting those statewide gating criteria, which limits our ability to be able to reopen additional schools beyond the ones that I just mentioned before.
Any of the schools that have been approved for any form of in-person learning can continue to operate as is for now. That means schools operating on a hybrid model, rural schools operating at full capacity, or schools that have announced a start date but have not yet opened up. Right now, Hidalgo, Doña Ana, Curry, and Sandoval counties are all offering in-person learning. But Stewart warns the increase in cases is a slippery slope, and they may have to take drastic actions to slow the spread.
One thing I do want to reemphasize, we are at the point where if we don't take all the actions that we can, if we don't take all the measures to stop the spread of the virus, then we do run the risk of getting to the point where spread rates get to the point where we would have to preemptively close down schools and go back into the remote learning model.
The PED says there's no timetable to determine whether or not schools will go back to remote learning. They say they're working with the Department of Health to monitor cases, but they have not set a limit on how many cases the state has to reach before returning to remote learning as the only option. Back to you.
Okay, Stephanie. Elementary schools are the only public schools the state has allowed to reopen. Middle and high schools are still on hold.